Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is data integrity in database. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is data integrity in database? Data integrity is a concept and process that ensures the accuracy, completeness, consistency, and validity of an organization's data. By following the process, organizations not only ensure the integrity of the data, but guarantee they have accurate and correct data in their database. The importance of data integrity increases as data volumes continue to increase exponentially. Major organizations are becoming more reliant on data integration and the ability to accurately interpret information to predict consumer behavior, assess market activity, and mitigate potential data security risks. This is crucial to data mining so data scientists can work with the right information. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is data integrity in database. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.